So I want your test today only, okay? On my personal window. Moksha, Sudhamshu.
Ma'am, for submitting it, my phone got trouble, ma'am. So that's why I didn't
Then send it
upload
on
it.
my personal window, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see. Abhinav is asking question number 4, second part. Abhinav, I will send you, I will explain you this question later on because these children will write the paper na test, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
Because if
what are we going to do now?
they will get the answer, right?
Ma'am, then what are we going to do now?
Today we will do extra questions of this arithmetic progression, and a few important things are also left because these are not given in NCERT.
Ma'am, the first second bit I later found it in addition, ma'am. It's kind of hard.
Okay, I will explain. Don't worry.
I still haven't solved it, so
Still you have solved, and still you are not able to solve, right?
yes, ma'am. It's
Don't worry. I will explain you. Okay.
Ma'am, it is easy.
Test was easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I joined just now, ma'am. What have you been doing?
Hmm. Yes, Pranya.
Ma'am, what did you do last class? Ma'am, I didn't join last class and now also I joined like 5 minutes late. So
Yes. Yes. Okay, children. First of all, this is an important thing, and from this topic, which we are going to today, which are going to do today, definitely one question you will see in your board exam. Numbers in AP. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Numbers in AP. Suppose if we have, first of all, 3 numbers A, B, C are in AP. If these numbers are in AP, beta, what is the condition? It means if they are in AP, it means their common difference will remain the same, beta. Right? Children, be or unmute.
yes,
So their
ma'am.
common difference will remain same.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it means so B minus A, second term minus first term, and common difference C minus A, third term minus second term will remain the same. So as common difference is same, so you can equate both the common differences. So B, you will get one condition that B minus A is equal to C minus A. Sorry, C minus B. C minus A, I don't know what I have written. C minus B. And here also C minus B. So now transpose this B here and A to right hand side. So B plus B is equal to A, C plus A, or you can write 2B is equal to C plus A. So this condition should be in your mind. Right, beta? If 3 numbers are in AP,
Yes,
then 2B will always equal to C plus A. Second term, twice of second term will be equal to sum of extreme terms. Right, beta?
yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
second thing is, if the sum of numbers are given, if the sum of numbers in an AP is given, if sum of the numbers in AP are given. First is, if three numbers are given, three numbers are there. If sum of three numbers are given, then you have to suppose number, then three numbers are taken as, you will be considering three numbers as a minus d, comma a and a plus d. Okay, beta? Now second is, by question I will explain this, how you will let, and suppose if four number sum is given. If four numbers sum is given, then you will taken four numbers as a minus 3d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and comma a plus 3d. So you have to suppose four numbers like this. And third one is, when you have to suppose three numbers, sorry, five numbers, then five numbers are taken as, you will write five numbers as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2. Okay, children, please note it down. These points are very important.
And this is to find the AP if sum of the numbers is given.
When sum of number is given, like in any question you have given sum of three numbers and then their common difference is given, then you have to find the AP. These type of questions will come in your exam. I'm going to explain you this through the questions, beta. Okay.
Can you scroll
Note
up?
it down.
I'll
Scroll
copy down the
up
whole
or down, beta?
up now. I'll copy down the whole thing.
Okay.
And can you scroll down?
Done, ma'am.
All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Done. Now next question. See, now I'm explaining these three things with the help of example. These questions are from NCERT exemplar. See, question is the sum of three numbers. The sum of three numbers in an AP is 18. Is 18. If the product of first and third number is 5 times the common difference, 5 times the common difference, then find the three numbers. So children, see in this question, the sum of three number is given 18. And I have already told you that if sum of three numbers are given, then you have to suppose your three numbers are these, na? A minus D, A plus D. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will suppose, let the three numbers be A minus D, A plus D. Got it, this thing, children? How you will suppose? Because if sum of three numbers in an AP is given, then you have to suppose numbers like this only. Okay? Now next
Okay,
is,
ma'am.
according to the question, you have given their sum. Sum of number is given 18. Now add these three numbers. Add A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 18. Now DD cancel. Then 3A will be in. Now value of A will be 18 by 3, 6. So we have got the value of A as 6. Understood this thing? Moksha, Pranya,
Yes,
Siddhishri,
ma'am.
Ashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan. Okay. Sudhamshu, Siddharth, Sumok.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have got the value of A as 6. Okay. Now next is, you have given this condition. See second, read the second line. If the product of first and the third number, it means the product of A minus D and A plus D, right, is equal to, is 5 times the common difference. It means 5D. Got it, this thing, beta? Product of first and last number, or you can say third number. Okay. So now A plus B and A minus B. Which identity I will use here? Tell me.
It will be A
Yes,
minus B.
ma'am.
A square minus B square. So A plus B into minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So apply this identity here. So A square minus D square is equal to 5D. Right? Now put
Yes,
the value of A here. So 6 square minus D square is equal to 5D. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 6 square is 36
Please show the
minus
question,
D
ma'am. I'm
square is
writing.
equal to 5D. Now you can transpose this both the terms to the right hand side. So D square plus 5D minus 36 is equal to 0. Now you have got your quadratic equation, right? So you can find the value of D. Just solve it and tell me the value of D. Hurry up. And here you can take both the values, positive as well as negative, because your common difference can be negative also, right?
Could you show the question, ma'am? I'm still writing the question.
Yes. I'm showing.
Completed, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am, I completed writing question.
Okay.
Ma'am, 9D minus 4D.
Yes, factors are 9 and 4, right? So value of D will be 4 and minus 9.
Yes.
Then write the numbers with.
No, ma'am, minus 4 and plus 9.
Yes, beta. The value of D will be minus 9 and 4. See.
Ma'am, then how it is plus
Minus
5D?
9 and 4.
See. I'm telling you value of 9, beta, not the factors.
Oh, okay.
Sudhamshu, Aryan, Sumok, Abhinav. Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, Pranya,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your number cannot be
Yes, ma'am.
negative, no, ma'am.
Okay, beta, see. For mirror term splitting, you will multiply last term by coefficient of D square, so it will be 36, beta. Now we have to make factors of 36 so that by adding or subtracting those factors you will get 5. So 9 4 is 36. So we can write D square plus 9D minus 4D minus 36 is equal to 0. Now you will take D common, then D plus 9, and from these two terms we will take minus 4 common. So D plus 9. So factors are D plus 9 and D minus 4 is equal to 0. So D plus 9 is equal to 0 and D minus 4 is equal to 0. Then value of D is minus 9 and value of D is 4. Now we have to find the numbers. Okay. So you will write your answer as, at the end, numbers are when A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 9. So numbers are A minus D, comma A plus D. So 6 plus 9, then 6, then 6 minus 9. So numbers are 15, 6 and minus 3. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now second case, when D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 6. Then again numbers are A minus D, A plus D. So then 6 minus 4, then 6 plus 4. Then your numbers are 2, 6 and 10. Understood, children? Grade 10, all have understood?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
will you write your answer at the end? Kashvi,
Then-
Pranya, Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
can you explain me why we should write only A minus D, A and A plus D? Like, why not 2A
See,
and
beta.
stuff?
See, why I have not written? Because if I will write A plus D, A plus 2D, so we have not got any value for A and D, because we need value of A or D, any one value, right, beta?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have taken common difference as D. 3 numbers we are taking. So as common difference D, so we can suppose this number like this. Okay? Because when we are getting their sum, you will subtract D and D and you will get in terms of A only your solution. Right?
Pardon me.
Okay. Let me proceed next question.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Now you people will start doing it. Question number 2 again from NCERT exemplar only. So the question is, the sum of the 3 numbers in AP is 24. The sum of the 3 numbers in an AP is 24. And sum of their squares is 194. And sum of their squares is 194. Then find the numbers. Is there any idea?
A is equals to 8, right?
Yes. First of all, you will write the numbers. A minus D, A, then A plus D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And yes, then their sum is given 24. Then you can find value of A.
Yes, ma'am.
Value of A will be 8.
Yes, ma'am. 3A is equals to 24, so A will be 8.
Yes. And then sum of their squares. It means A minus D square plus A square plus A plus D whole square. Okay, is equal to 194. This condition is given. Let me write just. So numbers are A minus D, A plus D. And their sum is given, children, 24. So add these numbers, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. D 0, then 3A will be equal to 24. And this implies value of A is 8. I guess all have done till here. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, next, read the next line carefully. Sum of their squares. It means sum of their square. Firstly, you have to find the square of each term. So A minus D square. Then second term square is A square. Then third term square is A plus D whole square. Now word is written sum. It means you have to add. And their sum is equal to 190. Got it this thing, children? Clear? Sumukh, Abhinav, Siddharth, Sudhanshu, Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Meher, Kashvi, Pranya, Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now solve it. Children, you know now that you have to join your next class at 7:10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I got answer.
Done, ma'am.
Then tell me your value of D.
1.
1 or minus 1, ma'am.
Okay. So it means you have got D square is equal to 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranya, Kashvi, Siddhishri,
Ma'am.
Sumukh.
I'm still doing it, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, still
here.
doing it.
Okay.
Still doing
You
it,
do it
ma'am.
fast.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pranya.
Ma'am, we got the value of A as 8, right, ma'am? Now here if we solve this, like, open this bracket A minus B whole square, we get E square plus 2AD minus D square. Like when we solve this whole thing, the D square gets cancelled. Then
Yeah.
we can write 2A square plus 2AD equals 194. And if we do that in that method, we get the value of D something else, ma'am.
So you have not got the value of D's as 1 and minus 1, right?
No,
You are
ma'am, I
saying-
did it in a
Ma'am,
different method.
ma'am,
Okay,
280
okay.
is supposed to
I'm
cancel,
explaining
right?
it. Yes, beta?
280 is supposed to cancel, right?
Yeah.
And not D is supposed to cancel.
Yes,
D
here.
is supposed to get.
Yes, yes, yes. Just wait a minute. See, A minus D whole square. You can apply the identity A minus D whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Right? Now plus A
Yes.
square. Now again A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. Right, children? So 2AD cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will get 3A square plus 2D square. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now put the value of A here. 3 into 8 square plus 2D square is equal to 194.
3 into A square is 192.
Yes.
Ma'am, by mistake, I cancelled the wrong number. So cancel D instead of cancelling AD.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Meher, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
All have done with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me your numbers.
7, 8, 9, ma'am.
Okay, 7, 8, 9. In both the
9, 8,
cases,
7.
numbers are, yeah, 9, 8, 7 and 7, 8, 9, right? So you will write your number as when D is equal to 1, numbers are
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. So you will write your answer like this only. And when D is equal to -1, numbers are 9, 8, 7, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, have you understood this type of question, beta, when 3 number sum is given?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do more
Yes, ma'am.
questions in next class, okay? Rejoin my class
Yeah.
at 7:10.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.